Hey everybody, it's Tatiani Favors here, your tax business coach, and I am here to talk to all of you small business owners. I am a small business owner, and as one to another, I would like to inform you all on some of the things that the government is doing for us in as far as loans amid this COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, there are two major loans currently right now that are being offered for small businesses, and they are defining small businesses as an entity with 500 or less employees, including yourself. And so if you have 500 or less, then you can apply for these loans. So the first loan that they've had out for a couple weeks now is the Economic Injury Disaster Loan. Okay. That has been out for at least a week and a half, probably going on 2 weeks. But one thing that they just implemented within this last week is an up to $10,000 advance. And so if you've already submitted your application for the Economic Injury Disaster Loan, then you can go to sba.gov. I will put the links under this post, and you can apply for the $10,000 loan. Well, it's up to $10,000, of course. The website indicates that after your application has been approved, you will get the funds direct deposited 3 days after an approved application. Now, how long is it taking them to approve applications? Not sure, but once it's approved, 3 days after that, you can expect the funds directly deposited into your account. And so essentially what the Economic Injury Disaster Loan does is it's providing small businesses with working capital of up to $2 million per company. Of course, the larger your company is, but still, keep in mind, under 500 employees, the more that number will be, but it caps at 2 million. And it is to provide that economic support, because small businesses, we see now during this pandemic, the government is doing everything they can to save small businesses because we are that important. And so I encourage you, even if you're not sure if you're going to be approved, apply anyway, because the typical requirements to get approved for these loans have been waived. They're not doing credit checks, because typically if you apply for a loan via the SBA, Small Business Administration, they work with lenders, they work with banks who have to check your credit and things of that nature. Now these loans are actually being processed by SBA, okay? And that means that, no credit checks, anything of that nature. The application, it says it should take you maybe 2 hours and 30 minutes. It didn't quite take me as long, but I already had all of my numbers and everything in order. But just go to the website and just see what happens, you all. I'm really encouraging all small business owners to apply for this loan. The loan can be, it is a 30-year loan, and it caps at 3.75% interest rate, which is super low on a loan. And so again, I encourage everyone to just try and see what happens. The second loan that is actually in effect today, Friday, April 3rd, is the Paycheck Protection Program, Triple P. And I keep looking this way because that's where my notes are. That's how new these loans and these programs are. I have to make sure I'm getting the information correctly so I can tell all of you all of the accurate information about it. But the Paycheck Protection Program, say that 5 times real fast, aka the Triple P, that again is available starting today. And what it is designed to provide a direct incentive for small businesses to keep their workers on payroll, meaning a lot of small businesses have laid their workers off, or have cut their hours. This loan encourages those small businesses to hire their people back, to keep business going, even if it's in a virtual sense. They really want to give small businesses funds. So I call it when outside does open back up, when we're, not social distancing anymore, these businesses can open immediately without a hitch. And so they can continue business for now as well. For those companies who, and let me get this right, for those companies and those employers who keep their employees on payroll for 8 weeks, and the money is used for either payroll, rent, mortgage interest, or utilities, then this loan actually will be forgiven, meaning it essentially turns into a grant. So if you use it for what they want you to use it for, meaning payroll, your office rent, utilities, things of that nature, then you don't have to pay back this loan. It's what they are saying, guys. And so for many of you all who have employees and who have been kind of on the fence about should you keep them, should you let them go, all of that, now here is the chance to hire them back and essentially almost get free money, guys, especially if you use this money like I stated and how they want you to use it. They say that this loan will be forgiven. I'm sure you'll have to prove it. So ensure that once you get the loan, you document every red cent, okay? Every penny needs to be documented, because I'm sure they're going to ask for a paper trail when it comes time to pay back, okay? And so those are the two that are available right now on SBA.gov amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Small business owners, please, please, please hear me. Just try to apply, okay? Apply for these loans and see what happens. Anything is better than what's happening now, especially if you're used to getting paid, or you're used to profiting in your business and things have slowed down a little bit. This could really keep your business and your people afloat for the next few months, okay? Apply. What's a few hours of your time that will save you stress in the future, okay? So I wanted to come up here real quick to let my small business owners know what's happening and what is being done for us. And again, I know I sound like a broken record. I'll take that. I encourage all of you all to apply. SBA.gov. Again, I will ensure to put the link under this post. And until next time, guys, I am keeping you all updated with everything. So keep it locked. Again, Tatiani Favors, your tax business coach. See you later, guys.